Hi all. Today we'll look through something called conditional formatting in XLS. Conditional formatting, as the name suggests, based on a condition fulfillment, we change the formatting of the respective cell. Now in the example that we'll look at today, we have got a students list with certain subjects that they have got put for test, which is history and geography over here, and there was maximum marks for test was 50, and they have obtained some respective marks against their test, uh, which is mentioned in column D, and then we have calculated the percentage of what was their achievement in the test. Now what we want to do is, based on the percentage, we want to do a color coding of these cells, percentage cell. So anything that is greater than 75%, we'll put it in green. Anything between 50 to 75%, we'll put it as amber, and anything less than 50%, we'll put it as red. Right? Usually, this is such color coding and conditional formatting is more or less done for MI reports, etc. So that it is easier to read the report through color codes. People are able to see how many things are in green, what is the section, how many records are in green, how many amber, how many red, those kind of things. And it also gets the attention of the people to the right side of records. Okay, so we'll look at this example which I just mentioned. So we're gonna work on this percentage set of cells. So what we'll do is we select percentage cells. Then in the home tab of XLS, we'll go to conditional formatting, and we'll say a new rule. Format only cells that contain, let's select this. So cell value between, now considering this is a percentage, right? So let me say cell value is less than, because this is a percentage field, so even if it's called 80%, actually it is 0.8 in value which is stored in there. So our 50% is 0.5 in this value. So anything which is less than 0.5, okay, and then I'll go to format, a pop-up would come, and I'll say color red. Okay, I can also select other things like font, etc., but I'm just using these three colors, red, amber and green, to fill with. Okay, so okay, and I'll say okay. So all the cells which were less than 50% have been highlighted in red. Yeah, I'll go to it, a new rule again, and I say format only cells that contain cell value between, now 50% to 75%, which is 0.5 and 0.75. I want it to come as amber. Yeah, okay, and then I say okay, and it becomes amber. Yeah, and then conditional formatting again, new formatting rule, format only cells that contain value greater than 0.75. Yeah, and I want to show it as dark green. Okay, okay, there you go. Okay, so we have got these values over here, and against them we have looked at the color coding. Now just out of interest, we had overlapping criteria at 50%, 75%, right? So let's try to change this marks to 25, right? So 50 still remains as amber, and if I want to do 75, which is 37.5, it will still remain amber. So anything greater than amber was green. As soon as I go above this, it turned green. Now it is on the go. As the numbers are updated, these cells will have an updated color code based on the numbers. Okay, so this is how conditional formatting is done in Excel. Thanks all for watching. Hope you will find it very useful. Do like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks once again. Bye.